Do you want to know how you can log into your William Hill account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your William Hill account. Go ahead and open William Login or search for William Login on your Chrome OS browser. Click on the second link which appears on your screen and you can see login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on login and it will take you to this login portal, which is the official login portal of William Hill. So keep your patience and in a while a login portal will come upon you. And as you can see, this login portal is over here. What you need to do is write down your username in the first box and then your password in the second one. So first of all, write down your username or email address and then write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure you check your password by clicking on this eye icon. Then click login. This way you can successfully log into your William Hill account. If you have forgotten your login details and want to reset it, you can click on this link. And if you don't have an account yet, you can just go ahead and click sign up or just click join, which is over here in the top right hand side. So guys, this is how you log into your William Hill account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.